Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarah if you're new. I am currently in Ocean City, Maryland for the weekend. It's the 4th of July, so we're celebrating here, a nice little fun beach weekend. And I just want to bring you guys along, have some fun, and vlog it, and all that kind of stuff. So let's get right on into it. Good morning. It's Friday morning, and I am going to grab some breakfast. These people, Matt is all about like not eating breakfast, and I just don't like that. And also when I'm on vacation, I'm like going to enjoy myself and I'm going to eat breakfast. I guess it's a little different for Matt because he's been here for like already a week and he's gonna be here for another week, so it's not like you can eat unhealthy for, it's not like you can eat completely unhealthy for 2 straight weeks. But since I'm only gonna be here for a few days, I allow myself to have fun and eat what I want to eat, I guess. But I think I'm just gonna go to McDonald's. I just love McDonald's breakfast when I'm on vacation. I think I've talked about this before, but growing up, I always used to go to Hilton Head with my family. I still go a lot, but every year we used to make a point to go to McDonald's for breakfast one day the week we were there. And I feel like that's just kind of like what I like to do now when I'm on vacation. I'm like, McDonald's breakfast. But the McDonald's is right down the street, so I'm just gonna go run and grab myself a little snack, a little brekkie, and a Diet Coke, because I woke up with a really bad headache, and like my crazy self just automatically assumes it's because I don't have caffeine in my body. But it could be because I haven't drank enough water. But I'm gonna go with the Diet Coke option. And yeah, I'm really excited to head down to the beach today. I feel like even though we went on our honeymoon for 2 weeks in Greece, I still feel like I haven't been to the beach yet really, except for one day last weekend. My mom and I went down to Long Beach Island. I vlogged that weekend too. It'll probably be up like 2 vlogs before this, a whole week actually before this vlog goes up. But I went to the beach one day, and now this finally feels like a beach vacation, and I'm really excited to be here. Hopefully the weather stays nice for us. Okay, I'm really starting to second guess my decision because the traffic is actually really bad, and I feel like it's gonna take me a long time to get there and get back. I'm nervous. I feel like I'm gonna call Matt. Just got back from McDonald's. Unfortunately, they weren't serving breakfast anymore. I thought McDonald's did breakfast all day. It was only like 11 o'clock when I got there. But I just got us sandwiches, and then my camera just took the biggest tumble off my dash. Like, I screamed at the top of my lungs. I really thought my camera was screwed. I think everything's okay though. The screen looks okay. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't even believe I just did that. But now I'm gonna go in. I don't know where the lens cap even went. Like, oh, here it is. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was a nightmare. But traffic was really bad. It took me like 25 minutes to get down the street. But I'm gonna bring Matt's sandwich in. I have to unload my car, like my beach bag, my beach chair, all that kind of stuff. And I think we're gonna hit the beach soon, so. Well, I think I'm wearing this blue bathing suit and this little thing. This thing's fun. We like this thing. Okay, ready to head down to the beach. I have this bathing suit on from Nasty Cow. This little thing is Shein, and my white shorts are Old Navy. And I feel like I'm wearing the same beach attire for the past like 10 vlogs because that's just my new stuff. I just got like all my stuff, I feel like, and I'm wearing it. But you're seeing a lot of the same outfits, and I'm very sorry. I know I wore this all in Greece and stuff, but we're heading to the beach now. I'm so excited. It's beautiful out. And just gonna read my little book. I got a book called People We Meet on Vacation, and I'm really excited to start it. I've been kind of into reading, like trying to read more, and I really liked the last book I read, so I bought a new one and I'm gonna read it. Hopefully this vacation I can finish it. But off to the beach. Finally made it to the beach. Say hello! Are you gonna say anything?
Unpostable. how I look.
Okay, got back from the beach a little bit ago, and now we're going to play pickleball. In this like million-degree weather, we're going to play pickleball. So
it's not a million degrees.
it feels like it. My camera's fogging up.
I went on a run earlier.
That's how. Oh my god, that dog's so cute. Hello. Off to pickleball. Just got to pickleball. Got our little paddles. Gonna have some fun. We got back from pickleball a little bit ago, showered up, had pizza for dinner here in like the condo. And now I think Matt and I are going to head out and do some mini golf. I love mini golf when I'm like at a beach vacation. I think it's just so much fun. So I did wash my hair tonight and I just looked it back up. I have no patience for hair when I'm on vacation because washing, drying, and curling my hair would take forever and I just don't have time for that. So quickly threw on this little top from Cotton On, my Princess Polly shorts, and I think I'm gonna throw on this white button up over this because it's a little chilly out. Just gets a little bit chilly with the wind at night at the beach. So I think that is the outfit and that is what's up. We are on our way to play some mini golf and then get ice cream because you know I love my ice cream.
Look at that car. Looks sweet, doesn't it?
No. It looks a little bit crazy. But so today is Friday and Matt's whole family gets here tomorrow and they have a little tradition of volleyball in the morning, so we'll see how that goes. They are very competitive little
I don't know
people.
if we'll play tomorrow.
Okay, I hope we don't play
Look at all
tomorrow.
these people. What are they doing?
I don't know.
Oh, there must be fireworks tonight.
Why do you think that? They're like, wait, let me listen. They're playing music or something.
Oh, they are playing music.
Yeah, they are.
I was gonna say they are out early for the fireworks. They're not gonna.
Are fireworks tonight? Or would they be on the 4th here?
Probably be on the 4th, but I could see them. They had some the other night. I heard them.
Really?
But
I'm sure they're gonna be all weekend. Like I feel like even at home, it's gonna be all weekend.
probably.
Yeah.
When's the 4th?
Monday.
Monday?
Yeah. So it looks like it might storm. Actually, the clouds are kind of breaking up. But it looks it's like very cloudy. So we're going into like Ocean City, Maryland to find golf. We stay out in like
You wanna go to
Maryland?
the dinosaur one?
Is that where you want? I've never been to that one.
Well, you said you've never been there. I've been there with you.
No.
Been there several times.
We didn't go together. We went to the
It's
one.
a good one, but
We went to the one with the plane together.
I think the plane one's actually better than the dinosaur one.
Let's go anywhere. I don't care. I just like
We
playing
can
mini
go to
golf.
the dinosaur one because you haven't been there.
Yeah. Is there any good ice cream close? After?
There's ice cream everywhere, every
know.
block.
I know there really is. That's a good thing about the beach. You can always find some ice cream.
I had ice cream every day this week. I feel terrible.
I probably have too. I had ice cream at home every day, I think. We've made it to mini golf. This is a fun one. I think it's called Lost.
Look how
What is it called? Lost Treasure Island or something?
Almost fake blue water.
Yep.
Makes me thirsty though.
Hello.
Have you been here before?
We have.
I don't care if it's like $5.
Alright guys, have a good round, alright?
Matt just got a hole-in-one, and I hit 4. Cannot believe myself. That was rough.
That's what you get for getting out of the car and going, I'm gonna win.
Yeah, I said I was gonna win. I still am. I believe in myself. Here's your ball.
Told you, man, I got better at golf this last week. I did nothing different, but I just...
Yeah. This golf course is actually really cute though. I'm glad we came to this one.
Pretty close.
On his 4th putt. Kind of caught up now. I'm only 1 behind you now.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh.
I'm officially beating Matthew by 2 strokes. Woohoo! Told you I was gonna win this.
I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child.
Our last hole. Oh my gosh. Who do you think's winning?
In your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. If I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me.
Oh my gosh, this kid's been going and going. Oh my gosh, Matt. What are you doing now? There we go. How many was that? 6? Guess who won?
Guess who had no hole-in-ones?
I did. Didn't count, but I did.
I got 2 hole-in-ones.
Well, I
choked
won.
on like
The last
3
hole,
holes.
holy crap, he did so bad. But this girl won. It was fun though. I love playing mini golf, and I think Matt had fun, even though he lost.
I had fun.
But he's a
till the
sore
end.
loser sometimes, right?
I carried us in pickleball.
No, I carried us in pickleball. I was good in pickleball too. Let that be known.
You were. But I felt like today I was like way better than I've ever been.
Well, it was fun. We're walking to Sensations, which is like a souvenir-y type store, because Matt wants to see if there's any fun t-shirts for him. So these things, Sensations, are literally every like 2 blocks in Ocean City, so that's where we're going. We just got some ice cream. I got the sweet and salty caramel pretzel with M&Ms and a cone, and I like always flip my ice cream cup. Thank you for spilling all that on me. I always flip my ice cream cone into a cup just so I don't make a mess. What'd you get?
Double fudge brownie.
Double fudge brownie. Yeah. Just got our ice cream and went back to McDonald's for the 2nd time today to get another Diet Coke. Can't help myself.
I was trying to hold that in.
That's disgusting.
I just chugged your Diet Coke.
It's now 9 o'clock, my bedtime. But we're gonna go home. Matt's brothers just got in. Whoa. That's how my camera felt earlier today. Matt's brothers got in like an hour ago. So we're gonna go spend the rest of the night hanging out with them and family and all that kind of stuff. So I will just see you guys in the morning when we are starting our little day. I think we're gonna do a walk on the beach in the morning, so that's like my favorite. Okay, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's my second day here at Ocean City. Last night, Matt's been here for a week, 6 days, yeah. Last night, Matt's brothers came. We spent some time with them, and his one brother goes to Penn State, and he brought a bunch of hats, so I got a new baseball cap. It does say PSU on it, but it's like impossible to read, kind of, but I think that makes it cute. And
I got a bucket hat.
yeah, Matt got a bucket hat. And now we are off. Whoa. Going to the beach now. I like doing morning beach walks when we're here because Matt's family doesn't go to the beach till so late. So I feel like it's nice to be able to go and get to the beach a little early and then come back and then go when they go at like noon or 1 or whatever we go down to the beach. So we're gonna do that and grab some brekkie. Is brekkie an Australian thing? Or is that a normal thing? I feel like the only people... Brekkie. Like saying the word brekkie.
I thought that you only said that.
I think I got that from like Australian people that I watch on YouTube.
I don't think you did. I think you just made it up. I think you're cute or something.
Gonna head down to the beach, and then by the time we get back, Matt's uncle should be here. They woke up at like 4 in the morning to beat some traffic and get here early, so they should be here really soon, shouldn't they? Just got back from the beach, showered up, and didn't get ready for like our night out. I got really burnt today. That is my bad. But yeah, I got some color for sure. I kept my face good though. But Matt and I are going to head and get a Rita's. I love Rita's so much. It's just like water ice. And I think we're gonna walk there because it's right across from our little complex. So we're gonna take a little walk. We don't have dinner until 7 and it's currently like 4:30. So that is the plan, and then we're having wings for dinner and then going out tonight. We just got to Seacrets. It's the coolest bar in Ocean City, like by far. You guys definitely, if you're in Ocean City, Maryland, have to come check it out. Guys, happy Sunday. And we woke up a little bit ago. We went to Seacrets last night. If you could like understand me at all, I know I didn't talk much during last night when we were out, but it was a lot of fun. We actually left pretty early and got home at like midnight, and then we woke up and we ran to Food Lion to grab some food, water bottles, stuff like that, snacks for today at the beach. And now we're going to play volleyball. It's like the tradition at this family trip is to play volleyball every single morning. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go over to the volleyball court and play volleyball. Okay, we just played like 4 games of volleyball and just got ready for the beach. I just put on some tinted sunscreen and lip gloss, and that is about it. I'm gonna head to the beach. It's already like, what, 12:11 to the beach. My face looks so pale compared to my body. Okay, see ya.
Why did you steal my thunder? Bologna, mayonnaise, and tomato.
Okay, so a little update. We got back from the beach a little bit ago. We stayed till like 5:30 and it's now 7:30. Matt and I just ran and got Wawa hoagies for dinner, and we're actually going and doing a bonfire on the beach with everybody and gonna hang out. Everyone else got pizza, but we had pizza like 2 nights ago, so I did not want pizza again, so I got Wawa hoagies for dinner, and we're just gonna go chill on the beach with everyone, hang out, and just have a little night. I think we're doing like a bonfire and a bunch of fun stuff, so that is the plan. I feel like I haven't been vlogging all that much just because this family is like a lot, and I know if I whip a camera out in front of them, it will just not be good. So trying to vlog as much as I possibly can, but all day we just sit at the beach and that's pretty much it. So
It's like, where the hell would we bury them that would make this?
When we were in 375, we never had Wi-Fi, so we would like.
good morning and happy 4th of July. We don't have all that much like planned for today, just the same as yesterday pretty much. Volleyball starts probably in the next like 45 minutes. I think Matt and I are gonna go on a quick walk and then we're gonna hit the beach. And this is actually my last day here in Ocean City and I'm sad that I have to go home. Matt has like another 5 days. Lucky little boy, but I'm gonna be going back up to Jersey tonight and spending the rest of the week with my family in like my house there, and that'll be nice. So I'll have like a pool and be able to relax with my family and stuff, but then our vacations are over for a while. Right, we got back from the beach a little bit ago. I got a McDonald's LDC, of course, on our way home, and now just showered up, didn't wash my hair, and I packed my bag. We're gonna head over to Matt's uncle's little condo in a little bit for dinner. It's his cousin's birthdays today, so we're gonna go like celebrate dinner and like cake and stuff over there. And I think Matt and I are going to go mini golfing again. Okay, we just got back to mini golf. We had dinner and like cake with Matt's family, so we're gonna go golfing again. It's just like a fun little activity and it's cheap, so might as well. Gotta beat Matt again. I'm doing yellow this time. Matt won mini golf tonight by 2 putts, and I was up until the 15th hole, so I'm pretty pissed about that, but I did get ice cream. I got mint Oreo, and Matt just got chocolate. This is good ice cream. And now we're gonna sit. I want to sit right here and just watch the fireworks, because there's a bunch of fireworks over the beach again. But Matt doesn't want to walk down to the beach, so I'll compromise and sit across the street. So we're gonna head back home after our ice cream And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm heading home bright and early tomorrow morning. But it was a really fun weekend. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you stick around, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.